to Mr. Christopher De Leon. And to guide this important conversation, I'd like to call back on stage our moderator, Ms. Armelyn Abengar.
We're going to talk about very important nowadays, data privacy, especially in the digital space as well. So maybe we can start with our first question with Mr. Apples. What common mistakes does our MSMEs make when it comes to handling customer data?
The most common mistake, and it may sound funny, but among the people that I've interacted with in the MSME sector, is that most of this, the way they handle customer data is they let everyone